Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Mailchimp to Canva for automated brand welcome series, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Mailchimp to Canva for an automated brand welcome series, start by logging into Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Campaign button to begin a new campaign. This will initiate the setup process for your welcome series. Next, choose your audience from the list provided. Click Begin to set up the email automation flow. In the email setup, you'll see a default email template. Customize this email by clicking on Design Email. Now, switch over to Canva in a new tab. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you haven't already. Within Canva, select Create Design and choose Email Header or Email Template based on your needs. Design your email content to match your brand identity. Once you've finished designing, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download and choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Return to the Mailchimp tab and upload your design by dragging it into the email editor. Make sure to add any additional text or details that align with your brand message. Once satisfied with your email layout, click Save and Continue. In the next section, set your email sending schedule. You can also add additional emails to your welcome series for enhanced engagement. To do this, click Add Email and repeat the design process for each email. After setting up all emails, review your entire welcome series sequence. Once everything looks good, click Start Sending to activate your automated welcome series. Your Mailchimp account is now connected to Canva, and your brand welcome series is set to go live. Check back regularly to monitor engagement and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.